Good morning, friends, and I hope you are able to capture this fall yesterday and make good profits. What we observed yesterday is there was huge uh, writing which was getting built up at 43,500. In fact, at certain point in time, Bank Nifty uh, spot went above this level of 43,500. Uh, it touched, in fact, 43,520 twice, could not sustain, and then a big fall came after that. And of course, we always have this pre-market levels. So we had the slab yesterday, which we had shared, which made I think high, which did not get cleared, but Asian Paints made a high of around 95 or something. So initially our call got triggered. It made a high of around 440, uh, 43 200. It was very slow, to be very honest, and hardly was moving, but somehow made a high of around 410 or something, and we were able to capture some profits there. Uh, Post that, I think we also took 43 to sorry. Uh, we also observed that Maruti was still moving. We traded a bit. Of course, we're still holding on the equity front. Mm, and then we captured Fin Nifty trade in the put side, being a expiry. So since we were a little away from the system, I mean, from the we were at work, we were, I mean, we were not able to capture immediately the fall, but we definitely were able to capture. So for today, what we can observe is that one clear pattern which emerged yesterday, which was showing fall, was this rising wedge, which in fact was forming right from day before, which is the uh, um, which was the 8th of that is Monday. And now we know that election is nearby in Karnataka. If you would probably be aware of, and in fact, voting has started, and most of us have already casted our votes and come back. So, uh, if at all, as per the pre-market poll has mentioned that majority can be by Congress. So this could be the results are out by 13th, and of course, our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi has holded roadshows, and people have shown a lot of faith in him. We still need to see how this election. Oh my God! Sorry. Okay. So how this election will emerge? Uh, for me, for today, I think Bank Nifty spot, if it moves above 40, if it stays below 43,380, then we will still see shorts coming, and it may test 43,000 or even lower. However, if we're able to sustain above 43,380, then we shall see 43,528, uh, and we shall also be able to see 43,700. But with this 43,500 call writers sitting here strongly, in fact, which I think this was hugely bought built up yesterday, We need to see how market will be able to push this move forward, or it will remain range bound and look to go down like the way yesterday it happened. Let's look at Nifty. Nifty is there is huge buildup at 18,200 and 18,300. So what we can see is if price is able to move below 43, uh, in fact, if you see, because of this option build up, there is already a triangle which is formed, indecision kind of a pattern formed in both index. So if price is able to, so there is a chance that bank Nifty also may move up, sorry, may move up a little and then again retrace back and even test the below levels. So we need to see how the market behaves today. For us, with the in Nifty, the strong movement is only possible above 43,300. If it is sustains, then we shall see 43,340, and we should be able to see 43,376. Uh, if price not able to sustain these levels, then for 18,220 shall be tested, and then 18,197, and possibility of 18,165. So market may remain range bound, waiting for the results of this election. So let us see how it behaves, whether it wants to wait for the results and then decide the move forward. But one thing what has been observed is there is a hammer pattern which is formed in the daily candle. So there will be huge selling pressure in the small caps and the mid caps. We have these stocks which have picked for today. If ONGC is able to sustain above 165, then we should be able to see 166, 165, and if it stays below 164.8, then we shall see 163.95. Britannia is a long-term bet. Uh, in fact, I think it had already moved here. It again formed one pattern over here, channel down pattern, and has been moving down up. So right now it may move here up to 44,500 and then start moving up. So right, because this area is going to be a huge buying zone, and we should see some traction at over here. So even if the market moves down, we suggest that we can add this up to these levels of 44,460 and look for targets of 4,700, 800 above. Kotak Mahindra Bank also has been in huge selling pressure. It may retrace back. However, our targets here would be more than 2,280 or 2,300. So we would suggest to add this in equity front for a long-term target. Right now, this can also form like a M pattern, uh, break this level and move down up to 18 uh, 1860 levels. However, we suggest if this kind of a pattern is formed, please do add this for a long-term perspective. Of course, we can also trade this on the intraday front. If price is not able to sustain 1958, then look to short this for targets of 1940 to 1935. And Hindustan Unilever also is a good long-term uh, bet. One can add this. Uh, in fact, I think we should be we should start adding this up to levels of 1480. Our targets could be easily sorry, 2480, and our targets can be easily 2680, 2750. This can be done as a SIP. Always understand equities. Always it is good to add as a SIP or systematic investment type of a plan. Do contact us if you want to know how, because we also understand it is important to remove the profits as a systematic removal plan or profit removal plan also. So Housing Development Finance Corporation, if you see, is extremely uh, good when it looks when it in terms of the fundamentals. Their NPS are very low. One should be looking to add this on every dip again, and we may see some down move here. Sorry, and we should be able to see 3000 levels and above. Tata Consumer also gave a very good big move. It has done a strong breakout here for the from this levels. We should see 900 to 1000 in couple of months from now. Reliance, we are looking very keenly how if this breaks out this level of 2472, then we should be seeing 2460, 2450. So this also we are having this in our radar. Are the industries also we do have this in the regard, and we're also looking this over a long-term perspective or at least a short-term perspective. Uh, Let me remove this lines. So this has given a good breakout here. It is retesting this level of 550 or maybe or so, and we should be able to see 620 in this counter. Trend again has given a nice up move. This can reach 1500 levels in a couple of months from now, or even weeks. Weeks from now. One should look to add this. In fact, we can even look at intraday for today. If this moves here, I would look to the stock options 1420 call. If it gives me a good, nice price action, then I would look to add this in the stock option for intraday as well. So I hope you don't have video is not live. Video is live, sir. Okay. DLF is slightly retracing back. Uh, you can right now, if you're holding equity positions, you can write 4,000, so 440 call and look for targets of 423, and then we also sorry 426, and then I think we should be seeing some upside move. So thanks for joining in. I hope our channel has been helpful. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you shall get notified whenever we are live.